Good day and welcome to Ready Studio. My name is Valerie. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to create coloring images or coloring sheets that can be sold as an individuals or as a book on a site like Kobo, Gumroad, Amazon KDP, or even on Etsy, or you can sell them on your own website. Okay, then let's visit ChatGPT to get some suggestion on what we can create. So we're going to create a kawaii. We're going to create kawaii under the sea. So these are the animals that are found under the sea. So here are the list of the animals, and then the next step is to get a prompt for those animals so that we can be able to generate coloring pages. Okay, so let's go to Leonardo to get to generate the images. Okay, so because I was already working on this project, so here are some of the images that I got from Leonardo. So some are perfect, some are not perfect. So to rectify some images that didn't come out as black and white, so let's just click on this one to download, and then also on this one we can download this one as well. Let's download it, and then we are going to visit it in this website. Is called the Rapid Resizer. On this website we'll be able to convert the images from the colorful images from Leonardo into black and white, so that we can be able to finish our book. The only thing that we need to do is to select the images from our device. Let's take this one. This is the very same image that was appearing here. Okay, so this is how it is. This is the image. It was like this, now it's like that. So here are the settings to adjust the outline of your image. And then you can also modify the threshold to get the desired level of details for your image. So this is how easy it is. You can just move around this, and then also this one you can also adjust the way you prefer. And then if when you are done and you're satisfied with the outcome of the image, you can just come here and then download the image. Click on this, save to the computer, and then that's how it's been done. We can just try another image. Let's get another image. We go back to select the image from the device, and then yes, let's get this one. Okay, you see how easy it is, and then you can just adjust the settings the way you want here, the way you prefer, until you are satisfied with what you were looking for. So the process is still the same. You can just come here and download, and then you save to your computer. Okay, and then the next thing, then we need to go back to Canva. Okay, then we go to elements, and then we grab this square, and then we put it here. We are creating a border for our coloring book. When it's a border, then you can just come here, and then you click on this one. If you want to increase the size of the border, you can just move it here the way you want, you see. So you can just leave it like this, and then you go to the color, you click on this of no color. You see, now we have created a nice border for our coloring pages. Okay, then you go to upload, So we are uploading, I've already uploaded the images. So let's start with this one, and then let's put it here. We'll add a new page. Okay, before we add the new page, let's just copy the border. You paste it. Okay, and then we grab the new, I'm not taking this one. Let's check this image, put it here. Okay, and then we move to the next page. You copy, or you can just duplicate as many as you want. If you know that you're going to create 25 pages, then you can just duplicate as the way you want to, the amount of the pages you need. So let's put it here, and then let's take this one, and then we put it here, and then we duplicate so that the coloring book can be at least nice. Then put it here. Then at the end of the day, at the end of our project, we will have something like this. So now we've got the coloring pages in order. So when you are done, you can just come here, share, and then download. Okay, I'm afraid we came to the end of our video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for updates. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Till next time, bye bye.